are continuing to
everyone.
be able to meet
Right
that
now,
growth
again,
rate that we've seen in the
aftermarket
past quarters here.
report,
And what you're also
closing
really
report.
seeing, Marley,
United
is
Health went
comps
down.
starting to normalize a little
It's
bit.
very
We have seen
risky
some
to invest.
outsized quarters
Let's
over the
discuss
last couple of
Cisco.
quarters
What's
here. It
happening
seems
to
like
Cisco?
year-over-year comps are starting to come in. Let's say starting to normalize just a little bit more here. Overall,
Above
I'm looking at the numbers. They look okay. Maybe the guidance moving forward is a little bit light compared to this whisper
estimated.
expectation that is out there. But it looks like the AI infrastructure, in my opinion, from what I've seen in the past,
Do you know why
has
it
been
went
on the
down?
right trajectory. But I think the market probably wanted to see a little bit more when it came to that spend.
What was the reason?
Jeff,
The amount of contracts that they're able to get.
Yeah, and Jeff, I'm not sure if you can see these numbers, but the AI infrastructure order from web scale clients coming in at over $800 million. That's what they've released so far. They did have a beat on their EPS. Sales were
Went
also a
down.
small beat as well, but not a huge beat here. Thoughts right now, the street down about 3% right now on this news.
Yeah, I mean, again,
Let's see
slight
what's happened
beat
to
on the earnings, slight beat on the revenue, but to Kevin's
book
point, I
Cisco.
think that's, investor expectations may have been a bit on the higher side. Like gross margins looking okay. I do see some
Went
decent
up.
numbers in terms of operating expenses. Those are relatively flat year over year, which
Aftermarket.
is
Take a
good
look. It
because
went
we know
down.
the company
Wow.
is, had to focus on this AI, which usually
66.66.
includes spending. It looks like we're coming back a little bit on it. I think
Estimation.
we'll see how the reaction
Real
goes
earnings
after the earnings call.
more
But
than
for right now, I
estimated.
think
But why it went down?
expectations were higher, and that's kind of the reaction.
I see everyone.
Yeah,
Hi,
gross margin you
75
just
people.
mentioned for the quarter, 68.4%, expectations for 68.2%. So mostly in
And
line
down,
there.
you see.
I am noticing a miss here though on services revenue for the quarter, coming in at 3.79 billion. Estimates were calling for 3.86. So that is a miss
Let's see
on that,
Corby.
as we're just sort of taking in all of these numbers.
Let's see
How
Corby.
significant do you think
Went
that's going
down.
to be,
We
Kevin?
discussed it yesterday. So did you sell it yesterday? Did you sell call against it? Take a look. Yesterday it was here, 140. Went down because disappointed reports, mixed reports.
If it is an issue, I'm not
Let's
sure the
see
stock
Nvidia.
would be significantly hit off of that because it's not a major driver of their overall profitability. But it is something to
Nvidia
be
today a
mindful
little
of
bit
here. I
down,
think
but
when
still.
you're looking at the geographic
Take a look.
regions, they have
Support line.
performed, let's say, on trend from what we've seen in the past. Here,
179.869
it does
support.
appear that they also
What does it mean? It means it will go up more. That's why if you have Nvidia, keep it. Or we can buy. Sell puts against it. You can use paper trade if you don't have enough money. But take a look here. You see support line, and it will go up for sure. Okay, what stocks do you have? Which one? Put in chat. And which one should we discuss? Put in live chat. Chat is live. Yes, I see everyone. Hi. Hello, everyone. Let's see Palantir. Did you invest in Palantir? Did you make money in Palantir? Use paper trade. Paper trade could be good as well. Take a look here. Again, support line. What does it mean? Again, it will go up. You see? Because it tried me here many times and again went up.
Here we're seeing revenue up 8% year over year for the fiscal year on the whole, because this is the fourth quarter.
That's why it will go up more.
Year over year there for Cisco reporting now. Shares down about 2%.
Then what stock should we discuss? Netflix. Let's see what's happening to Netflix.
Not a huge outsized response to these earnings, I think, as we wait in the next 20 minutes to hear
Today is
the call
down a
and
little bit.
there. But thank you, Kevin Green, Jeff Pierce, for breaking those down with us. Coming up,
You see, it went down after report. It went up immediately. Take a look here.
It's rallying after an upgrade. Shares are now
And then went down.
50% so far in 2025.
Report was good, but Netflix still down. What do you think about Meta stock? Let's discuss Meta. Very good financials. Meta has very good financial. Let's discuss. You see, Meta was 690 and went up. This long candle, what does it mean? A lot of buyers here. You see, take a look. How many buyers? It went up. And we discuss it every day and we have signals. That's why subscribe, give like to this video and make money. But again, use only good brokerage. Reliable with insurance. Yes, weigh your money insured. TD Ameritrade or Fidelity. Take a look here. You could buy for $4.79. Right now went up, almost doubled. Did you buy? Put in comments. Did you make money? What do you think? What can happen with Meta next? Let's see Maxim. Perfect time was here to buy in 2020. After that, it went up like crazy. Yes, it was 989 and went 10x. Literally 10x. Why do you need Bitcoin if you can invest here, for example? Here we know what happened. It was tariffs, so-called Liberation Day, but again it went up. Meta is good. Again, Cisco, it was earnings report, but it went down. Take a look how it went down. Went down. Sold. What's happening here? Maybe just taking profit because report was very good. And let's see. For 3 years, Cisco is going up. Of course, everybody is after AI, artificial intelligence, yes, and Cisco as well. But what's happening with NVIDIA? Again, let's discuss. It's a stable, stay on the same level. It's a support line. You see 179 support. What is it? Here it's a lot of sellers. Here's a lot of buyers in this line, but it will go up. That's why if you have it, keep it. You can sell calls against it. Do you remember? You go trade, then choose expiration date, then right click. For example, I think it will be more than 200. Sell and single and call. And you can make almost 200 per contract. That's why not? Or change strike price. For example, if you think 199, 190. See 190, 185. You can make almost 700, $630. That's why do it. Okay, so put in chat. I see some people said what to do with. I see your questions. Palantir. I see your questions. What do you recommend for baby investor? VOO. Take a look here. For example, if you don't know how to analyze stocks, VOO. And I have video about it. Why? Because expense ratio is very low, only 0.03%, first of all. And second, they pay dividends. Take a look how it's going up. It's copy S&P 500. That's why you invest and you can forget about it. That's it. But if you have more return, if you'd like to get more return, NVIDIA, Palantir. Yes, I answer your question. NVIDIA, Palantir could be very good. I see your compliments. You're so smart. Thank you. Thank you. You can do it as well. And again, trade on only good stocks. No penny stocks and no crypto. Because, for example, here Palantir can make more money than even Bitcoin. I see everybody. Again, thank you for compliments. Yes. What else? What else? And another stock would be good. Meta. Let's see. Meta is going up. And return was earnings report was very good. Take a look. Meta. You could buy here. Take a look for $100, even 86, and literally 10x. It could be very good. Every day we discuss it, and again we sell puts. Again, we go here, right click and sell put, not call, put. When you sell put, brokerage pay you money. You get this money. You see, you can get almost 1,000 to sell puts. That's why I do it. I put exact video, full video how to sell puts, and after that how to use wheel strategy, step by step, everything. That's why I watch it, and you could make money. Again, I don't buy crypto, no, because first of all it's very risky. And let's compare, for example, Bitcoin made 50%, yes, last year. But what about Nvidia? Let's compare Nvidia made the same. That's why you can buy Nvidia or Palantir. Take a look. Palantir made 500%. That's why do you need Bitcoin? It's very risky. You can buy Palantir and make a lot of money. Especially, let's see Palantir finance report. Let's discuss here. Revenue 1 billion, net income 326, and you see year to year is going up. What does it mean? It means it's good, stable company with a lot of potential. But why do you need Bitcoin? Do you invest in Bitcoin? Put in comments, put in chat. Let's see how many people buy Bitcoins. If you buy Bitcoins, for example, 10 years ago, probably, but today it's too late, I think, because a lot of companies are much more profitable than Bitcoin. Okay, subscribe, give like to this video, and we do live streams every single day. Okay, so see you next video. See, bye bye.